On a commencé ça, on devait tous avoir 15 ans, tu vois. Ad vita. Si on a monté ça, c'est parce que comme on ne se sentait pas vraiment représenté, on a voulu monter notre propre truc. Une marque dans laquelle on pouvait se reconnaître. On n'a jamais vraiment jugé les autres, même si ça les a pas empêchés de nous juger nous. Et si on nous a fermé la grande porte, on a fait le tour. En indépendant. Plus on avance et plus on se dit que c'était le bon chemin, tu vois. Le team aujourd'hui, c'est Sylvain Monet, Antoine Delayen, Maxime Delayen, Thomas Maxem, Caroline Béliard, Jody Mathieu, H8, Arthur Giraud, Émeric Tonin, Mathieu Grunberger, Paul Lamberson et Julien Pétry. Pour la plupart, on a grandi ensemble et c'est plus qu'une famille, tu vois. Si on a plein qui détestent qu'on représente, plein qui parlent, on sait qu'il y en a peu qui savent. Seuls les vrais savent. C'est pour eux qu'on le fait.
This is for my family, from the Bay to Miami to the Carolinas. You know Pep Love's finest friends and folk. My cousin would drink and smoke in the back. I was too young to even know the drama that my grandmama was going through, dealing with my auntie's sons. God please come, I used to hear her say, after giving the last and call, disappearing the flash and reappearing the day. My granddaddy would stay in his room and read, puffing that apple flavored tobacco. True indeed, I used to try to sleep in his bed and read what he read, seeking a hoping to open the secrets he would keep in his head. My brother would kick it with Marco and watch Dirt. He used to be a football star before he got hurt. And then he's in his wheelchair drinking and laughing, going out of his mind. I used to wonder what happened. It was an accident. My mommy told me, then she said don't go back in there. She boldly would scold me in front of him, and whatever you got, don't give none of them. He was getting drunk and only cause his soul was sunken in. But I ain't judging him. This whole family's dysfunction, and this is the reconstruction of my connection with my relatives that live and those that passed away from. This is a dedication to you.
Nous, Ad Vita, c'est parce que c'est à la vie. Les vrais savent.